Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the link below. You're not going to want to miss it. We are unboxing another Goodwill Bluebox, but it's not clothing. Okay, so my grab bag addiction has taken over again. Like, again. I did the last Goodwill Bluebox unboxing, got the clothes, and some of them I've worn and they're kind of cute and I like them. But some of them went to new homes. And then I was on their website and I thought, I'm going to get some clothes for the kid. And I went, no. You know what I saw was their jewelry. But not the good jewelry, the craft jewelry. Because I want to do, at Christmas time, one of those trees made out of jewelry. So I don't know what's in this box, but it is like 6 pounds of craft jewelry for $19.99, and that included the shipping. I haven't opened it. You can see it is not open, and I'm going to open it and show you what I got. I'm kind of excited. Victoria goes, maybe you'll get some diamonds and gold and pearls, and I'm like, well, wouldn't that be nice? I don't think so, though. I think they maybe gotten through it a little bit more than that. For crafts, I'm hoping I get pearls and shiny things and a little bling and some fun, and let's see what we've got. But you're not going to be looking at me for this, because why? You don't need to see me. You need to see what's in the box. So I'm going to flip you around and we're going to look at... Okay, I'm treating you special. I covered my ugly painted desktop with some pretty notebook paper here. Some pretty craft paper. And let's get this sucker open. Kind of excited here. See what's in it. Hit the camera here for a second. Oh. Packing slip. And as you can see, it was $19.99 total. I don't need that anymore. And ooh, well, my. Something here. Let's just dump. I maybe did get some good jewelry. Hang on. Oh, some of it just went on the floor. Not all contained. Holy wow. This is a lot. It's kind of awesome. Okay, a lot of beads just went on the ground. Okay, that's everything. Some of them are already... I could use these safety pins, so I'm not going to make whatever this is, but I use those safety pins and those beads. Some earrings. You know what I do with these? I make magnets out of them, and then I sell them on when I do magnet boards, when I sell magnet boards, and they go really well. Oh look, this would be a really nice big magnet. Check that out. Check it out. This is a super pretty pin. I am totally not going to take this apart. Look at it. It's gorgeous. There's nothing wrong with it. There's no missing gems. Definitely like a vintage pin. You can tell by the clasp. That's getting sold. And this is a nice little angel with hematite, and I think this might actually be, I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask some of my jewelry friends about the stones on there, if this is real. I'm leaving it on. Oh my gosh, I'm selling this. I'm totally selling this. This is a vintage Christmas pin. Or maybe it'll get part of a tree. There's nothing wrong with it that I can see. That might be gold though. Just two. We'll be definitely taking those into the jeweler. Oh, cute. A crown. It looks like a crown. Could make a craft out of that little crown on a doll or something. That'd be fun. Look at this one. There's gonna be some great bling on that tree. Real. This is a blue topaz, I can tell. Never doubt me on my blue topazes. I'll be keeping that. I collect them. Ball bin. In God we trust. Ball bin, play golf. Roll Rock Engineering, Hadley, Massachusetts. Well, that definitely fulfilled my desire for a grab bag. Ooh, look at this one. That's a fun one. I like this. I don't know really what to say. That's a good one. I like that. Yeah. Anything is possible. Possible. Yeah, it was a good bag. I am happy. I can definitely make a tree out of this with 6 pounds. This is genuine as well. Look at that. I've gotten, y'all. Here's my pair of tanzanite earrings. They're teeny tiny tanzanites, but they're tanzanite. I've got, ooh, I found the other pink taupe. Nope, it's another tanzanite. Three tanzanite earrings. And a bunch of silver, some gold. But best of all, I got a ton of beads to use for this project. This says, Heather, I have your bracelet. Heather, you want it back? No, she gave it to us for a reason. And this wonderful Tupperware medallion from 1969 is going to probably pay for this box. I am super duper excited about this. I didn't realize that I'd be getting sellable vintage stuff in this box, but I'm super happy that I did. I'm really happy about the gold as well, because that'll pay for the box faster than any Etsy listing. And I got plenty of beads for this project. I'm really, really excited about that. That is just a cute piece, guys. Very, very cute. And it's an older piece. What does it say? I don't know. I'm going to have to do some digging on some of these marks that are on here. This one actually has, it looks like an artist's signature on it. Guys, I don't know enough about vintage jewelry to really educate you on that, but yeah, I think it's worth getting one of these boxes for 20 bucks. you're into crafts and things like that, absolutely. And you might get silver or gold or tanzanite. I don't know what you'll find in your box. I'd love it if you get a box, if you could share with me what you got in your box, because I'm going to be going through this for probably about another hour, just checking out all the little pieces and bits and bobs. This is a vintage little pearl. So I don't think it's real. It's not a real pearl. No, not a real pearl, but it's still a cute piece to go on the tree. Just a little white snowbally piece. I got a crown. I didn't even see that before, did you guys? It's a pink crown. Fun. Okay, so I got a pink crown. Yeah, I'll be digging through this for a while. I gotta go through this and find out what I got. Got treasures. Lots of treasures. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm so grateful for all my new subscribers. Hi, welcome aboard. Oh, it's gonna be a wild ride when you see what I got coming up. But this box for sure was fun. I may have to get some of the good boxes. Maybe on their next restocking, I'll see what they had for the good jewelry, the good vintage jewelry. So this was their crap jewelry, and I got treasures in their crap. So I'm kind of excited about that. We'll see what they have for their good jewelry. Look, I got a ring, I got some bracelets, I got the fun stuff, I got some sellable stuff, I got definitely lots of craft beads, which I'm really super excited about. You can't even get near those craft bead jars at my store here. They go so fast. I'm just shocked by that one. Did you wear this? Who wore this? Come on, fess up. That's a lot of noise. That's a lot of noise, and that's a lot of nautical. So anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. Happy Junkin.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.